Welcome students. This is the lecture number 40 and we are going to start new chapter 6 triangle. Okay students, in this chapter we will discuss about some properties of triangles like congruency of triangles and similarity of triangles. You know there are many type of triangles, especially 3 triangles are based on sides and 3 other triangles are based on angles, like scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle, and some angles triangles based on angles like acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, and right angle triangle. So in class 9th students you have studied about congruency of 2 triangles. Here the word is given congruent figure and similar figure. So first of all we want to say you about congruent figure. Congruent figure means figures having same shape and size are called congruent figure. But in case of similar figure these type of figures having same shape but size may and may not be same. So students, here we would like to make it clear that in case of congruency of 2 triangles or congruent figures, 2 figures or more than 2 figures must have same shape and size. Okay students? You know, in case of triangle we have studied about congruency of triangles. So congruency of triangles can be judged by SAS, yes, and AAS, and fourth one is RHS. These properties were discussed about in detail in class 9th about congruency, but here we will discuss about similarity. So first of all we should clear about congruency. Congruency means any figure, any diagram, 2 diagram or more than 2 diagrams which are same in shape and size are called congruent. In case of triangle there are some criteria having 2 triangles congruent, okay. But in case of similar figures, similarity means having same shape but size may be same and may not be same. So students remember, in case of similarity size matter, shape must be equal but size may be equal or may not be equal. We have 2 triangles here, ABC and PQR. So students, if you want to see here, both are right angle triangles. BC is equal to QR, AB is equal to PQ here, and AC is equal to PR. So students, here we observe that corresponding sides are equal and one angle is also equal. So we can say that in both the diagrams of triangle, both triangles are same in shape and size. Clear? Both diagrams are same in shape and size. So we can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. So remember students, these are the 2 triangles which are congruent, and this one is the symbol of congruency of 2 triangles. And you know there are criteria SAS, SSA, AAS, and RHS. In these triangles we can apply both SSS and RHS because both sides are equal, triple sides are equal. AB is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR, and AC is equal to PR. Side. In this case all sides are equal, all corresponding sides are equal, so we can say both the triangles are congruent because these triangles have same shape and size. Now come to these diagrams. Here we have another two triangles ABC and PQR. Okay students, so clearly both triangles are right angle triangle. One similarity is there, right angle triangle. It is clear that shape of both the triangles is same. Shape of triangles is same, but size is different. So in this case we can say that these two triangles are same in shape but different in size. Thus we can say triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So this is the symbol of similarity. Okay students, I think from both the diagrams it has been very clear to you that how to distinguish between similarity and congruency. Remember, congruency matters in case if figures have same shape and size, but in case of similarity, figures must be same in shape, but in case of size, they means figures may be equal or may not be equal. Okay students, so I think here the basic structure, basic theme of similarity of triangles, these are similar triangles. So I think it is clear that what type of triangles are called similar triangle and what type of triangles are called congruency of triangles are congruent triangles. So okay students, now write this. आपकी जुकाम से नहीं, oh sorry. Hi students, so now we have taken exercise 6.1. After telling you some basic features of similar triangle as well as congruent triangles, we have very simple questions, and with the help of these questions you will make yourself more clear about similarity or congruency of two triangles. So here first question is fill the blanks. There are many parts but we have taken only 3 parts. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ऑल सर्कल्स डैश कॉन्ग्रुएंट या सिमिलर. बहुत ही सिंपल क्वेश्चन है. इसमें कहा गया है ऑल सर्कल्स. हियर इट इज नॉट क्लियर व्हाट इज द रेडियस ऑफ या रेडियाई ऑफ सर्कल्स. तो इफ हियर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट ऑल सर्कल्स, तो सी हियर दिस वन इज सर्कल, देन व्हाट इज सर्कल, दिस इज आल्सो सर्कल. तो वी हैव डिफरेंट सर्कल्स ऑफ डिफरेंट रेडियाई. So certainly these all circles cannot be congruent, but these circles may be similar. देखिए congruency के लिए क्या कहा गया है कि shape and size must be equal, but here we see या we saw that shape is same but size is different for different circles having different radii. So we can say clearly, if we are talking about all circles, then all circles are similar but not congruent until radii is not clear. So we can say that in case all circles, so we can say all circles are similar. Okay students, now second part is here all squares are. Here it is clear that no side of square is given. Square की side given नहीं है. Similarly we can draw many squares like having 2 centimeter side each, having 4 centimeter side for each square. So these are the squares of different sides. Okay students, so here we can say that figures are same in shape but not in size. And you know, if figures are same in shape but not in size, then we can say all squares are similar. Students, if sides तो स्टूडेंट्स आई थिंक फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड पार्ट्स आर क्लियर एंड नाउ वी कम टू पार्ट थर्ड. इन दिस पार्ट क्वेश्चन इज all dash triangles are similar. तो see students here question is that all triangles, but here what type of triangles? We have two options, isosceles and equilateral. Isosceles means all isosceles triangles are similar. It can be said all equilateral triangles are similar. So here students, how can you differentiate between isosceles and equilateral? So students here, if you want to make or draw some triangles which are isosceles like A, B, C, all sides are equal here. Similarly, P, Q, R, all sides are equal here. So students, we have two triangles or more than two triangles, but it is clear that shape of the triangles is same, but size is different. So all equilateral triangles are similar. Isosceles option may be wrong because in case of isosceles triangles, we know that two sides are equal, but we make triangles isosceles of different shape. In this case, shape and size both may be different. So correct option is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle आपका correct option है. यहाँ लिखेंगे all equilateral triangles are similar. Okay students, but all isosceles triangles are not necessarily similar. So students, these are the three options of 6.1. I hope remaining part you will solve. Okay students, बस remember आपको ये रखना है कि किस केस में triangles या figures congruent होते हैं. How many cases are there? And keyword are if two diagrams, two figures are same in shape and size, so you may say that figures are congruent. And second keyword, if two words like two figures it's same in shape, if two figures are same in shape but different in size, so clearly you may say that figures are similar. So I hope students you have got it, and now we go ahead. Okay students, so write down. So students, here we have some points, and now topic is similar triangle. Okay students, remember one important point. All the congruent figures are similar. सभी congruent figures similar होंगे, but the converse is not true. Means all the congruent figures are similar, but all similar figures cannot be congruent. So remember these things. Okay students, now as you know, there were 4 criteria or 5 criteria for similarity of triangles. So here, for congruency of two triangles, there were 4 important criteria, but here we have another 4 criteria for similarity of triangles. Actually, there are 3 main criteria for similarity of two triangles, but sometimes we take RHS also. Remember students, these were the criteria for similarity, not for congruency. But think how we should use these criteria. First of all, it is necessary to know what is meant by AAA, SSS and SAS and RHS. So see here students, suppose case number 1, two triangles are similar. Two triangles are said to be similar if number one, triple A, that is all corresponding angles are equal. Remember students, about this criteria we can say double A means if two angles of two triangles are equal, then automatically we can say third angle will be equal. So sometimes we say double A criteria or triple A criteria, both are same. Minimum, if two angles are same in two triangles, then we can say finally these triangles are similar. Okay students? Now for second, if all corresponding sides are in the same ratio, are in same ratio. Remember students, triple S criteria, if you applied in case congruent triangles, then where there must be equal in case of congruent. Congruent triangle में triple S means होता है corresponding sides are equal. But here in case of similar triangles, all corresponding sides are same ratio, in same ratio. For example, if we have two triangles like A, B, C, and other triangle is triangle P, Q, R, then according to this criteria, AB upon PQ and BC upon QR and AC upon PR. If this happen, then both the triangles are similar. So it results triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. तो रिमेंबर स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ तक हम लोगों ने दो क्राइटेरिया पढ़ा. पहला, यदि दो ट्राइंगल्स उनके तीनों एंगल्स आपस में सेम हो, मींस करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल सेम हो, या हम कहें कि दो एंगल सेम हो, तो वो दोनों ट्राइंगल सिमिलर होंगे. नंबर टू, यदि दोनों ट्राइंगल्स की करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स सेम रेशियो में हो तो दोनों ट्राइंगल सिमिलर होंगे. क्लियर? नाउ थर्ड पॉइंट इज हियर. नोट डाउन these points students. Pause video and note it. Okay, now we come to point number third. Okay students, third point is here SAS. What do you mean by SAS? Side angle side. But here sides are not equal. How? Suppose let two triangles are there, ABC and other is PQR. Okay students, then it means let if be given that angle A is equal to angle P. Okay students, angle A is equal to angle P, then remaining sides including this angle means AB upon PQ is equal to AC upon PR. If this happens, so it results that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Students, it means यदि दो ट्राइंगल गिवन है, उनका कोई भी एंगल इक्वल है करस्पॉन्डिंग, तो उस एंगल से जुड़ा हुआ जो साइड की साइड्स हैं लाइक AB और PQ का रेशियो, साथ में AC एंड PR का रेशियो सेम है, तो दोनों ट्राइंगल्स सिमिलर होंगे. वन करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स इज सेम एंड two attached sides. If two attached sides are same in ratio, then we can say that both the triangles are similar. So this is the third criteria for similarity of two triangles. Okay students, write this also. Now come to last point, point number 4. In this point students, RHS is given here. Remember, in case of congruency of triangles, there should be right angle equal. hypotenuse equal and one side is equal. But in case of similar triangle, here only, for example, if triangle, suppose here ABC is a triangle and other triangle is PQR, both are right angle triangles, so minimum one angle is equal. Now hypotenuse to hypotenuse and any one side, like BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. If this result is there, results triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. In simple way, students, if we have two triangles, both are right angle triangles, it is clear that one angle is equal, which is 90 degree, and corresponding hypotenuse, the ratio of corresponding hypotenuse and any one side is equal, then we can say that given triangles are similar. Means यदि हमारे पास दो ट्राइंगल हो, दोनों राइट एंगल हैं, तो फर्स्ट थिंग वन एंगल इज इक्वल. एंड इसके बाद क्या है, जो करस्पॉन्डिंग हाइपोटेन्यूस है इनका रेशियो एंड साइड का रेशियो यदि सेम है तो हम कह सकते हैं कि दोनों ट्राइंगल सिमिलर हैं. तो स्टूडेंट, it should be very clear that in case of congruency we take equal angles and equal sides, but in case of similarity we take equal angles only and sides must be in ratio, same ratio. So these were the four criteria for similarity of two triangles. These criteria will be used to solve the problems based on similar triangles. So students, remember and be prepared with these basic topics. Okay, now next topic is Thales theorem. So write down this. So I hope students you have written. Now in next video lecture, students, we will discuss Thales theorem, and this is also called BPT. It means basic proportionality theorem, and then we will use results of this theorem for next exercise to solve. Students, till then keep this full video, watch this full video and try to strengthen your basics about congruency of two triangles and similarity of two triangles. Okay students, and solve exercise 6.1, today's exercise. Now in next topic, with the next topic, that is the BPT, we will meet on next video, soon. Till then students, take care of yourself and thanks.